Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. This is R. Sriram. Mongolia issues blizzard and yellow dust storm alert. Mongolia's National Agency for Meteorology and Environmental Monitoring has issued a critical warning for severe weather, including blizzards, high winds, and yellow dust storms, which are expected to affect several regions across the country. The agency has urged residents to prepare for challenging conditions that could disrupt daily life and pose risks to safety. Snowstorms are forecast to sweep through central and eastern provinces of Mongolia. The weather will bring heavy snow and strong winds, which could lead to reduced visibility, icy roads, and travel disruptions. The blizzards are expected to be intense, making it difficult for both vehicles and pedestrians to move around in affected areas. In addition to the snowstorms, the southern Gobi Desert provinces are predicted to experience high winds and yellow dust storms between Tuesday and Wednesday. These winds will reach speeds of 18 to 24 meters per second, which could cause widespread dust and sandstorms, reducing air quality and visibility. The dust storms may also impact the health of those in the region, especially individuals with respiratory conditions, as the fine particles in the air can cause irritation and breathing difficulties. The Meteorological Agency has advised residents, particularly in the capital city and all 21 provinces, to take extra precautions. This includes avoiding unnecessary travel, ensuring vehicles are prepared for icy or snowy conditions, and securing loose objects that may be blown away by the strong winds. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.